Nissan Armada Pro-4X. Full-size SUV high-Joe rugged capability, refined comfort, or bold styling ka powerful combination offer karte hai. Ya vehicle unlock and Kali design ki gaye high-Joe ha terrain par confident drive kana chahte bina. Ki C compromise K. Iska exterior design muscular or aggressive high. Jisme prominent front grille, LED headlamps, skid plates or blacked out accents. Shamil hain Joe Iskoff, road character KO, enhanced karte hain, red colored tow hooks or Pro-4X, badging eyes ek, distinct identity, dete, especially jabya kissy challenging terrain parho. Under the hood, Armada Pro-4X powered high-ek 5.6-liter endurance inka orcha. Engine sejuk, 400 horsepower tak deliver kartad. High Iska 7-speed automatic transmission smooth shifting K. Sath excellent towing capability B offer karte high. Intelligent 4x4 system or advanced suspension setup I say rock. Sandya snow ha surface par confidence K. Sath chalane layak banata high. Hill start assist, limited slip differential, or skid plates highest features eyes genuine offer. Machine banat hain. Interior keyboard Corin to Armada Pro-4X Ka cabin spacious or upscale feel deta high. Premium leather pointed seats, contrast stitching, or dark chrome accents is SUV KOX. Sporty yet luxurious feel, dete hain. Tri-zone, automatic climate control, heated and ventilated front seats. AUR large panoramic display driving experience KO or enhanced karte hain. ICM Nissan Kia advanced infotainment system B Dia Gaia high-Joe Apple CarPlay Android Auto navigation or voice control K Sath full connectivity provide karte high. Safety features main Nissan Safety Shield 360 Kia complete Suite Dia Gaia high. Jisme automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, or intelligent lane intervention shamil hain. In sub K Sath Armada Pro-4X XUV nahi. Bokeh ek, adventure ready companion high-Joe ha sufar ko powerful, secure or yodga banata high. Ya unlogan Kali high-Joe size, strength or smart features, K perfect blend chahte chahi wo highway ho ya wild trail.